call for me, Grandmother Rose. And use this for your milk, my daughter.
The distance is a mile from here to the river.
Yes, sir.
Stay alert! He is dead.
Yes, sir. Captain, you should be resting. Yes, sir. Upper arm, near the joint. Tell me, it was...
Forest was dense, with shadows shifting like ghosts. We had to move silently, every step a gamble against the unseen. You need to rest now, soldier. The fight will wait.
But, sir, I can still...
Yes, sir. I step forward, an ambush, then.
They waited until I was distracted.
You ordered a retreat. Immediately. Rest now.
Left or right, left or right, left or right.
There. That should ease the pain. You were lucky, the wound could have been far worse. You look much better today.
Thanks. I suppose luck hasn't abandoned me yet, though it tried its best on the battlefield.
Do you have someone waiting for you at home? A wife, perhaps?
Why, the war never left room for such things.
I see. It must be lonely, returning with no one to share the silence.
Lonelier than the trenches, if I'm honest. But some silences are easier when there's a kind voice nearby.
A kind voice?
Yours. You speak as if the world is still gentle. It's comforting.
Careful now. Nurses are known to offer comforts, part of the duty.
Then I hope my stay is long enough to deserve more of that duty.
Rest now. We'll see what tomorrow brings.
Tomorrow sounds promising, especially if you're on duty again.
Quick recovery, Captain.
Thanks.
Convoy, convoy, convoy ra. Boy say convoy, big chop, convoy, 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 convoy.
Kongoy missing mi chep kwet. Kongoy we batien. Tandang.
Kongoy missing assist. Kimiten luget ne gorom kabisa. Nenyon kelema nenyon emet.
Nenyo,
Bye kelema bye.
bye bye.
King kelema king.
King.
Kole ichebet. Mi tunimga. Inyonen. Mi mursik.
Welcome to our special segment today.
Yes, we're here to discuss the latest developments.
Let's get started.
Good evening, viewers. Tonight on Behind the Role, we sit with a woman whose character has moved many hearts.
Thank you very much, Matsa, to be here. Hi, I'm Florence Nightingale, who plays nursing Captain Scott in the movie. Welcome to the show.
Florence, in the film you portray a disciplined nursing captain, firm, brave, and deeply committed to saving conflict. Florence, viewers notice something more personal, your closeness to Captain Scott. Is it duty or is love growing?
It's primarily duty, but that is the question many people ask. At the beginning, it is purely duty. Captain Scott is a patient, a soldier under my care. As a nurse, my oath is to protect life, regardless of rank or emotion.
But as the story unfolds, your eyes linger, your voice softens. Duty alone does not usually look like that.
Pairs.
True, duty can guide the hands, but the heart is harder to command.
Working closely in pain, fear, and hope creates a bond.
What begins as responsibility slowly becomes concern, and concern can grow into something deeper.
So, would you say love challenges your professional boundaries?
It does. That is the inner conflict of the character. She constantly asks herself, what am I doing? Is this who I am? Am I still a nurse first, or am I becoming a woman in love?
It's a question only your heart can answer.
The beauty of the role is that she never abandons duty. Even when love grows, duty leads.
That balance is what many viewers admire. In one scene, you choose to stay with wounded soldiers instead of escaping with Captain Scott. Why?
Because that moment defines her. She may pull the heart, but duty you wait, but lives cannot.
Powerful. Finally, what message should viewers take from your role?
But duty defines who you are. She believes that if love is real, it will wait, but lives cannot. And that nurses, then and now, carry both compassion and courage in silence. That love and duty can coexist, but sacrifice reveals true character.
Florence Nightingale, thank you for such a moving conversation.
Thank you for having me.
If you would like to support
M-Pesa 0708 686575.
The hills were quiet in the morning, too quiet. The Kalenjin scouts were seen there at dusk. They know every ridge, every valley. We lay a mile of track today, and by nightfall they pull it apart or drive our men back. The railway. They believe this railway wounds their land. To them it is not iron and progress, it is invasion. Yesterday they blocked the pass again. Spears against rifles, yet they stand their ground. I admire their resolve, even that it delays us. London does not care for admiration, only results. Nor does the company care for the men who fall. 2 workers were wounded last night. Arrows, poison, they say. We are building more than a railway, Thomas. We are carving the lines through belief, through resistance. The Kalenjin warriors fight not for gold, not for pay, but for soil and cattle. That makes them dangerous. Men with nothing to lose cannot be frightened easily. The guards want permission to advance with force. Force will only harden them. Yet if we stop, the railway dies here among these hills. So what do? We proceed carefully, reinforce the camp, speak to the elders if they will listen. Steel may bend land, but it cannot bend pride overnight. Then let them watch. The railway moves forward today, but history will remember the price paid on both sides.
The name of this weapon is Maxim machine gun.
Yes, sir!
Men, gather closer. This weapon you see before you is not just iron and fire, it is discipline made visible. A machine gun obeys only 2 things, training and calm hands. Panic will turn it against you, patience will make it protect you. Complete the duty given to you. A soldier who listens survives, a soldier who rushes dies.
Yeah, Fande!
Bullshit! My ma.